Hi guys, I'm Sana from Guide in Dubai. I hope you are doing well. We meet again today to discover a new adventure. If I tell you I believe I can fly, can you guess? You get it. I'm going to do a helicopter tour for 12 minutes, so stay connected.
Fly away, away, oh, I fly away.
Thank you. So the team will explain us all the safety instruction for the flight.
I would just fly, fly away, and I always knew I couldn't stay, so I had a dream.
So in few minutes it will be our turn. We will make 12 minutes of tour. The Palm, Atlantis, Burj Al Arab and the Burj Khalifa in the distance. So, after you flight, you can come just here, Souvenir photo. You can get your own photo and your own video of your flight. Let's see. Okay,
yes.
One picture, 160, 160, okay.
Yeah,
Two picture, 210.
Yeah, USB, we have 3 packages. USB without print is 400 dirham.
Okay.
You can get all your photos and video.
Inside.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Plus this one, it's 420 USB with a 2 printed photo. And this one is 525 with a 3 printed photo.
Okay. So guys, it's the end of this video. I hope you had fun. It was an amazing experience. Really, it was wow. Wow, wow, wow. It was so amazing. So if you want to book with Guide in Dubai, click on the link of the description. We propose you 3 options. The first one, 12-minute tour. So Atlantis, the Palm Jumeirah, the Burj Al Arab, and the Burj Khalifa in the distance. The second option is 17 minutes. So the Palm Jumeirah, the Burj Khalifa, the Burj Al Arab, and the Jumeirah coastline. The last option is 22 minutes tour. We will see the Palm Jumeirah, Atlantis, Burj Al Arab, Burj Khalifa, the Jumeirah coastline, the old Dubai, and the Greek Dubai. So what are you waiting to book with Guide in Dubai? See you for the next adventure.
Oh.